subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some language acquisition trivia. What theory suggests language develops through social interaction? A. Behaviorist theory, or B. Nativist hypothesis, or C. Social interactionist theory, or D. Cognitive development theory. The correct answer is C. Social interactionist theory. Who proposed the universal grammar theory? A. B.F. Skinner, or B. Noam Chomsky, or C. Edward Sapir, or D. Ferdinand de Saussure. The correct answer is B. Noam Chomsky. Who is known for research on second language acquisition? A. Stephen Krashen, or B. Noam Chomsky, or C. Edward Sapir, or D. B.F. Skinner. The correct answer is A. Stephen Krashen. What does the term bilingualism mean? A. Speaking two languages, or B. Speaking multiple dialects, or C. Learning a third language, or D. Understanding foreign texts. The correct answer is A. Speaking two languages. Which concept represents alternative language forms? A. Dialects, or B. Jargon, or C. Lingua franca, or D. Pidgins. The correct answer is A. Dialects. What is the primary function of language? A. Artistic representation, or B. Communication, or C. Expression of feelings, or D. Social bonding. The correct answer is B. Communication. What is the study of meaning in language? A. Semantics, or B. Phonetics, or C. Pragmatics, or D. Syntax. The correct answer is A. Semantics. What does L1 refer to in linguistics? A. Language learner, or B. First language, or C. Language index, or D. Linguistic level. The correct answer is B. First language. In what type of context does language immersion occur? A. Language translation, or B. Vocabulary memorization, or C. Grammar instruction, or D. Second language learning. The correct answer is D. Second language learning. What approach uses meaningful interactions for learning? A. Grammar translation, or B. Direct method, or C. Behaviorist method, or D. Communicative approach. The correct answer is D. Communicative approach. What relates to gestures and body language in communication? A. Written words, or B. Verbal cues, or C. Nonverbal communication, or D. Sign language. The correct answer is C. Nonverbal communication. In linguistics, what is the term for speech patterns? A. Semantics, or B. Syntax, or C. Phonetics, or D. Discourse. The correct answer is D. Discourse. What do you call a written character used in language? A. Grapheme, or B. Letter, or C. Glyph, or D. Symbol. The correct answer is A. Grapheme. What describes the ability to switch between languages? A. Bilingual mixing, or B. Code switching, or C. Language shift, or D. Dialect variation. The correct answer is B. Code switching. What refers to explicit instruction in language learning? A. Direct instruction, or B. Implicit learning, or C. Natural approach, or D. Task-based learning. The correct answer is A. Direct instruction. Which method uses storytelling as a tool for learning? A. Creative writing, or B. Story-based learning, or C. Data analysis, or D. Narrative approach. The correct answer is D. Narrative approach. What strategy uses visuals to support language learning? A. Visual aids, or B. Flashcards, or C. Grammar rules, or D. Audio lessons? The correct answer is A. Visual aids. What framework analyzes the structure of sentences? Syntax, or B. Grammar theory, or C. Sentence analysis, or D. Linguistic patterns? The correct answer is A. Syntax. What refers to variations in language based on geography? A. Regional accents, or B. Geographical dialects, or C. Phonetic variations, or D. Linguistic styles? The correct answer is B. Geographical dialects. What does the term L2 signify? A. Second language, or B. Lesson type, or C. Level 2, or D. Latitude 2? The correct answer is A. Second language. What describes the formal rules governing sentence construction? A. Punctuation, or B. Semantics, or C. Syntax, or D. Grammar? The correct answer is D. Grammar. Which form of communication does not use spoken words? A. Sign language, or B. Body language, or C. Morse code, or D. Written language? The correct answer is A. Sign language. What is important for successful language acquisition in children? A. Television watching, or B. Early exposure, or C. Adult conversations, or D. Formal education? The correct answer is B. Early exposure. What refers to studying language in context? A. Pragmatics, or B. Semantics, or C. Phonetics, or D. Syntax? The correct answer is A. Pragmatics. In language learning, what is comprehensible input? A. Understandable language, or B. Contextual nuance, or C. Perfect grammar, or D. Complex vocabulary? The correct answer is A. Understandable language. Who promoted the output hypothesis in language acquisition? A. Krashen, or B. Vygotsky, or C. Swain, or D. Chomsky? The correct answer is C. Swain. What learning strategy emphasizes real-world communication? A. Task-based learning, or B. Grammar translation, or C. Memorization techniques, or D. Content-based instruction? The correct answer is A. Task-based learning. What refers to the rules that govern word formation? A. Phonetics, or B. Syntax, or C. Morphology, or D. Semantics? The correct answer is C. Morphology. What concept refers to language nuances in formal writing? A. Syntax, or B. Diction, or C. Register, or D. Tone? The correct answer is C. Register. What educational method promotes peer interactions? A. Standardized testing, or B. Independent study, or C. Collaborative learning, or D. Lecture-based instruction? The correct answer is C. Collaborative learning. What describes learning through social conversation? A. Social interaction, or B. Self-study, or C. Online courses, or D. Peer teaching? The correct answer is A. Social interaction. What is the main focus of psycholinguistics? A. Syntax and grammar, or B. Language acquisition processes, or C. Relationship between language and cognition, or D. Neurological disorders? The correct answer is C. Relationship between language and cognition. What method emphasizes listening and speaking first? A. Total physical response, or B. Grammar translation method, or C. Task-based learning, or D. Audio-lingual method? The correct answer is D, audiolingual method. What aspect of language includes gestures and tone? A, syntax, or B, phonetics, or C, paralanguage, or D, semantics? The correct answer is C, paralanguage. What describes testing language skills in context? A, standardized testing, or B, authentic assessment, or C, vocabulary tests, or D, grammar quizzes? The correct answer is B, authentic assessment. What differentiates a learner's understanding of language rules? A, intuitive learning, or B, explicit knowledge, or C, implicit knowledge, or D, cultural context? The correct answer is B, explicit knowledge. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.